Welcome back to our channel. Today we have Fiat Punto for general service with us at the moment, and this vehicle is come for a clutch replacement, and we are working on this, and also gearbox oil will be changed on this because the vehicle is driven just 90,000 kilometers. There was no performance with the vehicle. That's the reason we have requested for the customer to please change the clutch completely at the moment. And also we have a Ford EcoSport which has come for a heating issue with us. We have solved the problem at the moment, and we have given the radiator for complete service because the vehicle was getting boiled in AC as well as on low RPM speed without AC also. So, and also general service is required on this vehicle. So anybody who is really interested or to do their car service from basic vehicles to premium vehicles, you can just WhatsApp us on our WhatsApp number 9886679617. We are based in Bangalore, and also we are going to do buffing on the headlights at the moment. So stay tuned and watch our channel. We'll be providing you more and more information on this vehicles. So any kinds of service, we are available in Bangalore. Our workshop name is Horus Automotive. We are based in Vidranepura Post. So this is the gear oil which we have put at the moment, and the clutch has been completely replaced. This is the Ineos 75W90, and this is the brand new clutch which we have installed because Tata was the authorized person for Fiat. And we also replaced the air filter. Brand new air filter has been added. So we are adding a brand new Adinol oil into the machine, multi-jet, because these engines are used with three familiar cars in Indian market. This is called as multi-jet engine, which was used by Swift from Maruti, and also Tata was using this for other vehicles. It was used with Manza and Vista, and right now we are adding the Adinol 15W40 engine oil, multi-grade engine oil in this. So stay tuned and watch our channel, and we are going to check all the basic electrical works on our vehicle and then do the washing and deliver it to the customer. So stay tuned. We are going to pour the engine oil to the machine. So you can just have a look at this is the brand new engine oil which we are going to install into the machine. So for any kinds of car service regarding and also detailing services are available with us, and you can just WhatsApp us on our WhatsApp number 9886679617. Right now we are doing a headlight buffing on this Fiat Punto at the moment. You can just have a look at it. So stay tuned. So this is the product which we use, Rupus Smile Scores. So you can just have a look at the cleaning. You can just check the difference at the moment. So anybody who's really interested in any kinds of car servicing with us, petrol and diesel, both service, manual and automatic, can WhatsApp us on our WhatsApp number 9886679617. We are based in Bangalore. So please like and subscribe our channel, and stay tuned and watch more and more videos coming from our channel. Thank you.